5-year probe, the European Union is formally accusing Google of cheating consumers. The EU says the internet giant took advantage of competitors and shoppers by manipulating search results. CCTV's Jack Parrock reports from Brussels.
You're sat in a cafe on your laptop, looking for something online. Which search engine do you use?
Google.
Google, à chaque fois. I usually use Google.
Google, basically, mostly.
The US giant has a 90% market share of internet searching in Europe. But the European Union says it's using its position as a search engine to bolster other business interests by displaying its own services above commercial rivals.
Today we have adopted a statement of objection to Google. It outlines our preliminary view that Google's favorable treatment of its comparison shopping service, you probably know it as Google Shopping, is an abuse of Google's dominant position in general search.
Although these proceedings will focus on the shopping aspect of the operations of the San Francisco company, the EU says it may probe deeper into Google's other services, like travel, hotels, translation, and maps. Google now has 10 weeks to respond to the charge. A similar scale competition case involving Microsoft lasted 10 years and resulted in that company having to pay €2.2 billion in fines. Google could be forced to pay up to $6 billion. That's 10% of its global turnover. In the past, the European Commission has asked Google to amend its layout of search results. Now they're looking to punish the company for alleged bad behaviour.
It's about consumers, and in this case, any internet user who uses the Google search engine is a consumer. Mrs. Vestager was very clear that being dominant in and of itself isn't a problem. It's an abuse of that dominance to the detriment of consumers that she's worried about.
The EU also announced it will start an investigation into Google's mobile operating system, Android, to see whether that is in breach of competition law as well. The company now looks likely to be caught up in legal battles for many years to come. Jack Parrock, CCTV, Brussels.